How to check in on trip.com. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I will simply guide you on how you can actually begin checking in on trip.com, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you want to check in your flight or check in any of the other things on trip.com, all you have to do is open the trip.com app. Now there are many ways to do this. One thing that you can do is just come to the my trips option here. When you go to my trips, you'll be able to see a list of all of the trips and bookings that you have, or you can just select all bookings over here. Once you select all bookings, you will be able to simply find the bookings that you've made, and then you can check in for that specific booking. Or in case you don't find it, then you can also simply choose to search by the pin number. So if you have the reference number of your booking, you can simply select your booking number over here as well as a 4-digit pin, and then just tap on the search button in order to check in your specific flight or your specific booking. And this is simply how you can check in on the trip.com app. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.